Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this 5-in-1 decibel meter that I got sent out for review. This one is really cool. It includes the cable where you will be connecting it to the power outlet and also the power brick. It also includes a template that is for installation purposes, the manual of instructions, and the screws that you will need to install it on your wall. It has a very nice size, and this is how it will work. So you will be connecting this cable to the power brick and then to the power outlet. And here is how you will be charging it right here with this one. Okay, so once that you done this, once that you have done this, you can see what it measures. So at the top left, you can see the decibels, and underneath it's the time. Then on the right you can see the temperature. As long as I am speaking right here, you can see that the decibels are changing at the top left, and also it measures the percentage of humidity that you can have at your home. So this is really nice for the winter time, for example, where the humidity of the houses goes down or up. So this is great for allergies, to have and measure for allergies and seasons, different seasons. Okay, so here is how we are using the template to install it on our wall. It is really easy. Once that you have done this, you can attach these very easy, remove the plastic, and there you go, it is installed. So here you can track and you can see how is everything, and it will let you know if you have to do something with a little face at the top. Okay, so you can set up these and change right here. It is nice and cool now, and it has a better percentage, and you can change these. It has a very nice large display, and it can measure the noise meter, temperature meter, the humidity, and also give you the hour. It comes with a battery that you can recharge as well, or keep it plugged in as well, however you need it. And it is very accurate, and it is very easy to operate. You can change the brightness, and also you can enhance the brightness or reduce it with the arrow buttons at the top. And if you want to adjust anything, you can just long press on the M button right here to change any settings on the screen.